Have you ever dreamed of earning over $150,000 a month? Let's explore how you can achieve this with YouTube automation using AI. This method leverages platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to generate engaging content effortlessly. First, you must understand that success requires consistency. It won't happen overnight. However, using the right tools and strategies, you can create a significant income stream. Start by harnessing ChatGPT. This tool enables you to generate engaging video content quickly. For our example, we'll create 50 sets of facts related to psychology, relationships, and more. With ChatGPT, you can generate unlimited content tailored to what your audience craves. To maximize your results, pair ChatGPT with Canva for designing eye-catching clips. After generating your facts, you can create visually appealing videos in no time. Use Buffer to schedule your posts across all platforms efficiently. Imagine effortlessly creating over 1,000 YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. This strategy offers comprehensive steps that are easy to follow. By sharing this content, you can scale your social media presence dramatically. For instance, apply the ChatGPT prompt shared earlier. It helps you structure facts creatively, making them relatable and engaging for viewers. Ensure your facts are concise, aiming for a reading level under grade 7 for wider accessibility. As you implement these tools and strategies, track your progress. Remember that building a successful channel takes time and effort, but the potential rewards are immense. In summary, this approach empowers you to create unlimited AI-generated videos quickly. Stay consistent, and the success you seek is within reach. Ready to transform your content creation journey? Join our free community, explore further automation tutorials, and subscribe to our newsletter. Take the first step towards your YouTube success today. You might be wondering how to start this journey without overwhelming yourself. Begin by diving into the vast resources available online. Countless tutorials detail the intricacies of video production and content strategy. Engaging with these materials will provide you with essential knowledge and inspire your creativity. Next, focus on establishing your brand. Identify what makes your content unique and how it resonates with your target audience. Consistent branding creates recognition, allowing viewers to connect emotionally with your message. Choose a catchy name, a memorable logo, and a color scheme that reflects your content's personality. As you develop your style, keep experimenting with different themes and presentations to discover what resonates best, ensuring your growth remains aligned with your audience's interests. Now that you've laid the foundation for your brand, it's time to start producing your content. Set aside dedicated time each week to brainstorm, script, and shoot your videos. This routine will not only instill discipline, but also enhance your efficiency. Aim to batch produce your videos so you always have fresh content ready to go. Remember, your content should provide value, whether it's informatively entertaining or thought-provoking. Experimentation is key. Try different formats and styles to see what garners more engagement. Keep your audience in mind, as their feedback will be invaluable in shaping the direction of future videos. Use analytics to understand which topics resonate and refine your approach accordingly. Above all, engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Building a community around your content will foster loyalty and encourage viewers to share your videos, amplifying your reach. As you continue, don't hesitate to seek collaboration opportunities with other creators to expand your exposure. The more you interact and innovate, the more you will carve out your niche in this competitive digital landscape. As your confidence grows, so will your ability to innovate within your content. Don't shy away from exploring trending topics or viral challenges. These can catapult your visibility. Analyze what successful creators are doing and adapt their strategies to fit your voice and style. Incorporate humor or storytelling techniques to make your videos memorable, ensuring you stand out in a crowded space. By continuously refining your craft, you'll attract a loyal following eager to engage with your work. So take action and embrace the exhilarating journey of content creation. By following these steps and remaining dedicated, you can unlock your potential and achieve remarkable success. Embrace the journey of YouTube automation. And remember, consistency and creativity are your greatest allies. Now it's time to take that leap and watch your efforts flourish into an impressive income. In your initial phase, leverage the power of social media trends to inform your content decisions. Tap into what's currently engaging users on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, allowing you to align your content with popular interests. Analyzing viral videos can reveal the types of themes, music, and editing styles that captivate audiences, thus inspiring your creative process. Incorporation of these elements can enhance the relatability of your videos and increase the chances of them being shared. Engage with your audience by asking questions and encouraging them to share their thoughts in the comments. This interaction can drive more engagement and help you better understand what resonates with your viewers. As you build this relationship, consider hosting live Q&A sessions to connect on a deeper level, which can foster community trust and loyalty. Regularly responding to comments and messages not only boosts your algorithmic presence on platforms, but also shows your audience that you value their input. As your channel grows, think about developing a content calendar to maintain consistency and keep your audience eagerly anticipating your next video. Once you've established the foundation of your content strategy, it's vital to invest time in optimizing your channel. Focus on creating compelling thumbnails that draw viewers in. These are often the first impression potential followers will have of your videos. A/B testing different designs can provide insights into what appeals most to your audience. Additionally, ensure your video titles are captivating yet informative, containing relevant keywords to enhance searchability on YouTube and other platforms. Don't forget to use engaging descriptions and tags to improve your video's visibility. As your subscriber base begins to grow, consider developing a unique series or theme that keeps viewers coming back for more. This could involve regular tips on a specific topic, interviews with experts, or storytelling, encouraging viewers to anticipate new content regularly. Moreover, cultivate a consistent posting schedule that aligns with your audience's habits, as this can significantly boost viewer retention and engagement over time. In your journey towards mastering YouTube automation, don't overlook the importance of continual learning. Stay updated with the latest trends in content creation and technology. Participating in online forums, webinars, and workshops can provide valuable insights. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals, as this network will support your progress and offer fresh perspectives. Engage in constructive discussions to exchange ideas and refine your approach. Furthermore, regularly revisit and evaluate your analytics. Understanding viewer behavior is crucial in adapting your strategies over time. By being proactive in your learning, you will stay ahead of the curve, ensuring your content remains relevant and appealing. Finally, as you implement these strategies, remember that persistence is key. Setbacks are part of the process, but they're also opportunities for growth. Celebrate small victories along the way and remain flexible in adapting your approach as needed. Trust in your vision, keep pushing forward with passion, and you will find success in your content creation journey. Your content's impact will be greatly enhanced by the authenticity of your voice and style. As you continue to create and share, strive to allow your unique perspective to shine through, making your videos more relatable. Don't shy away from sharing personal stories or experiences, as these can foster a deeper connection with your audience. Instead of merely delivering information, invite your viewers into your world. Let them feel your enthusiasm and passion for the topics you cover. This authenticity will not only attract more viewers, but also encourage loyalty, fostering a community that resonates with your vision. Remember, your journey doesn't just involve creating content. It's about creating connections that inspire and engage. As you dive deeper into your content creation journey, consider honing your storytelling techniques to capture viewer attention. Craft narratives that evoke emotion, whether through humor, drama, or relatable experiences. This engagement invites your audience to invest themselves in your videos, paving the way for a stronger connection. Utilize hooks at the beginning of your videos to instantly grab attention, compelling viewers to stay engaged. End each video with a call to action that encourages viewers to like, share, or subscribe, a crucial element to grow your channel further. As you refine your storytelling abilities, remember that visuals play a crucial role in enhancing the narrative experience. Incorporating dynamic graphics and animations can add depth and engagement to your videos, capturing and maintaining viewer interest. Utilize software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro to enhance your editing skills, ensuring your content is polished and professional. Embrace color grading techniques that enhance your footage's emotional appeal and cohesiveness, creating a distinctive look that resonates with your audience. Always consider pacing. The rhythm of your editing can evoke specific feelings and keep your audience captivated throughout. By combining strong storytelling, compelling visuals, and strategic editing, you'll create a unique viewing experience that not only informs, but also inspires your audience, ultimately solidifying your place in the content creation landscape. To further elevate your content, dive into community engagement. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and experiences related to your topics, creating interactive spaces where followers feel valued. For instance, consider hosting contests or challenges related to your content themes, incentivizing participation through shout-outs or features in your videos. Such initiatives can cultivate a bond among your audience and foster a sense of belonging. Additionally, invite your followers to contribute ideas for future videos. This collaborative approach not only garners enthusiasm, but also ensures your content remains fresh and relevant. Empowering your audience to influence your creative journey can lead to unexpected and delightful outcomes, enhancing the overall experience for everyone involved. Developing your editing skills is crucial as you craft your videos. Aim to master the basics of cutting and trimming footage to ensure your storytelling flows smoothly. Techniques such as using jump cuts can keep the pace lively, while transitions can create a more cinematic feel to your content. By embracing the principles of automation and consistency, you can unlock the door to remarkable success in your content creation journey, turning your dreams of a thriving online presence into a reality. Remember, every effort made today lays the groundwork for your future achievements.